Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Have a great week, Thanksgiving week. Always do your best. Take action on your ideas. Doing your best means take action. You can have many great ideas in your head, but without action on that idea, there'd be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. I love this guy. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrials up 72, NASDAQ up 7, S&P's up 6.5. Gold contract down $19.20, trading at $12.7730 an ounce. Silver down 46 cents, $16.91 an ounce. Platinum off 30 bucks, $9.22 an ounce. All three of them, folks. You get volume on the move down. They haven't broken a swing point, but let's get right into them first. So gold goes from a price point of $12.95 to $12.74. You're at $12.7730. We've done almost 400,000 contracts, which is an expansion of volume. You're going into 434,000 contracts, but that's way too close. That's the bottom line. So the bullish part, it didn't break a swing point. The bearish part is that you get an expansion of volume. So I expect what you're going to see is that the November 14th low of 12.69 will go, that the contract will go after it. Silver, we take a look at the silver contract. Silver contract out here. There you go. Silver contract right now, it was down 2.6% today, whereas gold was off 1.4, 46 cents. Silver's always much higher, much more volatile than gold. That being said, what silver didn't do is that didn't break a swing point, swing low either. We had the volume behind the move. I expect you're going to see silver test 1688. We got the 1692 out here today. Notes it. Well, here, let's go into the S&P next. We take a look at the SPY. SPY closed at, basically almost at its highs. We're at 1258.28. Your high is 1259.35. You did volume of 42 million. We go take a look at the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials closed up 72, and the Dow looks a little weak, actually. It's going to be intriguing watching this shake out. The Dow had a hard time getting up to the 23,492 area yesterday. Today, rather. That was the high of last Thursday. We got to 456, and then bottom line, it closed out at 430, up 72 bucks. The composite, we take a look at the NASDAQ composite. What we have with the composite is at its highs. That's closed up $7.90. You're at 67.90. And the first high generated out there was 67.95. Bottom line, you are right at all those highs. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar is trading at a price point up 430 ticks. We did 19,000 contracts. Now we came down on 27,000. King dollar was in an ABC structure on the way up. Never reached its full price projection, which was the 95,940 mark. We got down last week to 93,305, and we had some volume down there. So I expect good old King dollar is going to try to build some cause to break under its breakout area of the 26th, which is 93,365. So it's going to be intriguing watching this shake out. If, in fact, we're going to go from a dead cat bounce, which the King dollar has been doing, to a much larger move on the way down. Some of the high volume stocks out here today, you had GE down 23 cents. You had Snap down 58 cents. Micron Tech was up $1.48. You had Verizon up 70 cents. Merck was off $1. Let me go pull Merck. Man, Merck's in tough shape. I don't know what's behind the curtain there, but whatever's behind the curtain is not good. This has been a one-way trade. 2 months ago, September 18th, Merck was at $66. You're at 54. It broke your swing low today of $54.51 and 41 cents. Yeah, Merck's going to go after this high volume swing low at $45. Get back November of 2015. Put this on a monthly. I see what the, okay. If you want to see a classic, what you had with Merck was coming into its '08 downdraft. The high there was 61. It had come down with 468 million. First time up there, it did 231. Couldn't handle it. Went from $63 down to 45 rather. Made it again. Couldn't handle it again, and it came off the highs with volume. So, excuse me, folks. What you have here is you have a big consolidation. This is going to be a monster consolidation. Yeah. The bottom of that consolidation, which is dangerous, is $45. $45.69. But you can kind of see this chart on a much longer basis, how you came off a high in 2000 of 90 bucks. You get to a low of 26. You did a counter trend bounce to 61. You get down to 20. This is really going to be dangerous. This is going to be, because the way that Merck is actually trading, you could actually go to the highs of the lows, which would be pretty devastating in Merck's case. Some of the other Dow stocks out here, you had ExxonMobil was up 31 cents. Boeing was up 237. Let's go take a look at Boeing. Yeah, Boeing, it looks like it's still almost at a all-time high. This has been a one-way trade on Boeing. And Boeing is just about parabolic. You know, Boeing, if we bring this back, August of 2016 was 129. You're at 264. And that is one straight line move. And that straight line has been just up. We go take a look at the GM is up $1. $44.88. IBM at $1.54, up $1.54. So IBM was one of the movers inside the Dow Industrials today. Let's go take a look at IBM. Yeah, it's a dead cat bounce. So IBM is down from 162. You're at 150. This is a gap away lower. Well, she's staying out of the lower range anyway. 137. So if she gets back inside 137, watch out. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. Come right back.